Hello and welcome to Zimstate Media. Zimbabwe's President Dr. Emmerson Mnangagwa is today presiding over the burial of a national hero, Ambassador Dr. Victor Matema Danda, at the National Heroes Acre. A solemn atmosphere has engulfed the shrine as cabinet ministers, senior government officials, ZANU-PF leaders, and mourners from across the country gathered to pay final respects to the distinguished Liberation War veteran and diplomat. Ambassador Matema Danda, born on 3 March 1960, joined ZANLA in 1973 and deployed in 1979 in Motoko. After independence, he served in the army, became Secretary General of the ZNLWVA, ZANU-PF National Political Commissar, Deputy Minister of Defense and War Veterans Affairs. He was appointed ambassador to Mozambique and Eswatini in March 2021. Matema Danda died on 20 June 2026 at the age of 66. The government said he died after a short illness and did not disclose further details. President Mnangagwa described him as a fearless patriot whose contribution to Zimbabwe's liberation and development will inspire generations. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.